السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم. الحمد لله. نحن نتعلم Arabic, Medina Arabic Reader Book. Today we are learning fourth lesson and it is continuing. Today we are going to learn Ba. So this lesson also related to the prepositions and we are going to translate Arabic sentences in English language. Let's start. Al Baitu, the house. Min al Baiti, from the house. Al Masjidu, the masjid. Ilal Masjidi, to the masjid. Al Mudarrisu, min aina anta, teacher. From where are you? Muhammad, ana min al Yaban, I am from Japan. Al Mudarrisu, wa min aina Ammar, and from where is Ammar? Muhammad, huwa min Sin, he is from China. Al Mudarrisu, wa min aina Hamid, and from where is Hamid? Muhammad, huwa min al Hind, he is from India. Al Mudarrisu, teacher. Aina Abbas, where is Abbas? Muhammad, kharaj, he went out. Al Mudarrisu, Aina Zahab, where did he go? Muhammad, Zahaba ila al Mudir, he went to the principal. Al Mudarris, teacher. Wa aina Zahaba Ali, and where did Ali go? Muhammad, Zahaba ila al Mirhad, he went to the toilet. Tamarin, exercises. Ajib anil as'ilatil atiyah, answer the following questions. Min aina anta, from where are you? Ana min al Yaban, I am from Japan. Anta min al Philippines, are you from Philippines? La, ana min al Yaban, no, I am from Japan. Man min al Sin, who is from China? Ammar min al Sin, Ammar is from China. Min aina Hamid, from where is Hamid? Hamid min al Hind, Hamid is from India. Aina Zahaba Abbas, where did Abbas go? Zahaba ila al Mudir, he went to the principal. Zahaba Aliyun ila al Mudir, did Ali go to the principal? La, Zahaba ila al Mirhaz, no, he went to the toilet. اقرأ واكتب مع ضبط أواخر الكلمات. Read and write each of the following words vocalizing its last letter. Al-ghurfatu, the room. Min al-ghurfati, from the room. Min al-hammami, from the bathroom. Al-mirhazu, the toilet. Ilal mirhazi, to the toilet. Al-yabanu, the Japan. Al-filipino, Philippine. Min al-hindi, from India. Ila Sini, to China. Iqra waktub, read and write. Min aina Fatima, from where is Fatima? Hiya min al Hind, she is from India. Kharaj al mudarrisu min al fasli wa dhahaba ila al mudir, the teacher went out from the classroom and went to the principal. ذهب التاجر إلى الدكان, the merchant went to the shop. خرج حامد من الغرفة وذهب إلى الحمام, Hamid went out from the room and went to the bathroom. من خرج من الفصل, who went out from the classroom? خرج الطالب من المدرسة وذهب إلى السوق, the student went out from the school and went to the market. خديجة من الصين وخالد من اليابان, Khadija is from China and Khalid is from Japan. ضع في الفراغ فيما يلي, حرف جر مناسبا. Fill in the blank in each of the following sentences with a suitable preposition. Min, from. Ila, to. Fi, in. Ala, on. Al-kitabu al-maktab. The book is on the table. الطالب في الفصل. The student is in the class. ذهب حامد إلى الجامعة. Hamid went to the university. خرج المدير من المدرسة. The principal went out from the school. ذهب محمد من الصين إلى اليابان. Muhammad went from China to Japan. الكلمات الجديدة, new words. المدرسة, the school. الفصل, the classroom. الحمام, the bathroom. المرحاض, the toilet. المطبخ, the kitchen. الغرفة, the room. الجامعة, the university. السوق, the market. اليابان, Japan. الصين, China. الهند, India. الفلبين, Philippines. المدير, the principal. ذهب, he went. خرج, he went out. في, in. على, on. من, from. إلى, to. من حروف الجر. If you want to learn any sentence, if you want to learn any word and meaning, please comment it. For watching Arabic videos, thank you very much.